Good morning. Now today's topic is the inverse trigonometric functions. The first problem is if tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi by 2, show that xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. Now the solution is, let tan inverse x is equal to a, tan inverse y is equal to capital B, and tan inverse z is equal to capital C. Then tan A is equal to x, tan B is equal to y, and tan C is equal to z. Okay, by taking this tan to that side, tan inverse means 1 by tan. So 1 by tan, cross multiply, we will get tan A is equal to x, tan B is equal to y, and tan C is equal to z. Now consider this condition, LHS condition, that is, given tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but the 90 degrees. Tan inverse x means what? We are consider it is A. So capital A plus tan inverse y is B plus tan inverse z is C is equal to 90 degrees. Now A plus B is equal to 90 degrees minus C. Take tan ratio both sides. By taking tan ratio both sides, tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus C. Now we know the formula tan of A plus B formula. I will write the formula here. So tan of A plus B is equal to, formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now substitute this formula here. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan of 90 minus C. 90 minus C is the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive, and here we are having the 90 degrees. So tan can be changed as the cot C. Now tan A plus tan B plus by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to, cot C can be taken as 1 by tan C. Cross multiply these two, that is tan C into tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B into this one. Now multiply tan C with these two, tan C into tan A, that is tan A into tan C plus tan B into tan C, tan B into tan C is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. Now take this one to this side. Here we are having the minus sign. By getting this one into the LHS, we will get the plus sign. Tan A tan C plus tan B tan C minus will be get plus tan A tan B is equal to 1. So what is tan A? Tan A is x. And what is tan C? Tan C is z. Plus tan B means y. Tan C is z. Plus tan A is x. Tan B is y is equal to 1. Now by writing in a order, we will get xy plus yz plus xz is equal to 1 is the solution.